Today I got my General 490 bandsaw, 15-inch bandsaw, holds up to 1-inch blade thickness. Takes a 100-inch blade, cast iron top, cast iron case top, except for the opening door, that's steel. 3/4 horsepower motor, made in Canada. 19 dust extraction here. I put some WD-40 on the cast iron top. That's going to need to be cleaned. Underneath looks good, nice and clean. Open her up. The wheels are looking good. They're a little bit rusty. That can be cleaned real easy. Tensioning gauge. And also for the length of the blade, because it can accept a 98.5-inch blade to 101 inch. The only problem on it is a bent knob, which I will easily unbend. Won't be a problem. Underneath there is motor access. Can't really see it. And the pulley goes up to up here. I'm going to get a V-belt for it. Viking blade, 3 teeth per inch. And this is a 5/8 or ½ inch, sorry. This one here, ½ inch. I also have a scroll blade that is 3/16 of an inch wide. It's 10 teeth per inch, 98.5 inches. And what I can't wait to do is resaw. Got a resaw blade, 7/8, and it's going to run nice. Especially running on urethane bandsaw tires. Okay, they last longer. They guess they keep the blade better and everything. The only thing apparently I'm missing is a couple dollar brush that I forgot to add to my basket when I was buying all this stuff. Also, these bearings, they look pretty good, but they look like regular skateboard bearings, so easy to replace. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this cleaned up. Okay, a lot of people say how much trouble they have with these urethane tires for bandsaws. This one here is for replace the General 490 tires. I didn't find it too hard, but it is difficult. I find a little screwdriver, a little flathead screwdriver, and you grab the ends, you angle it so that you're pushing it towards the wheel, and then slide it around and get it on. You might need to give it a little stretch first. Be gentle with it, don't be too aggressive. I don't know how easy these break. Give it a little stretch. And that's the majority of the problem right there. So I'm angling it towards the wheel. Again, it's not simple, but this is how I got my first one on and thought I should show how to do it. Help anybody else looking for a way to do it. Well, the first one was easy. That's what I get. There it is. Okay, and just slide the rest of it on. And basically just take the screwdriver and run it along this inside edge. Whenever it gets tight, just give it a little bit of a turn. I'm just pushing the urethane belt over. And there we go. New urethane belt. Okay, so now I have two new urethane belts. And let's go ahead and put on a new blade. Okay, so here's my general 490 after I gave it a cleanup. All I did was sand down the top a little bit to get that surface rust off. I'll give it a good polish there later. I want to get it running. I cleaned off the rust here on the guide bar. All the dirt and debris that was inside, cleaned it all out. Cleaned the rust off the knob. Took the bolts off, retightened them, made sure everything was good, the bearings are good. Cleaned the rust off the pulley. That's an A58 belt, in case anybody needs to know what belt the general 490 takes. So it's got a cool little compartment to hold the motor. You take this off to change the belt. New blade, I'm putting on the Viking. It's a 98.5 by half by 3 tooth per inch. Okay, so I got my new blade on. Open the bottom. And urethane belts look really nice. I'm going to go ahead and open my this up. This is the first time I've opened the bandsaw blade, so there we go. Okay, so there's a little pin on this side. You pull it out. You can slide the blade through the crack. Pretty good first run. Now let's do a test cut. Holy God. What a smooth, clean cut that is, and look how thin I can get that. I can probably get that thinner actually if I really tried. Okay, let's try resawing. Okay, so I'm going to slice off some 1/2-inch boards. So I got myself a piece of veneer. That's about 1/16 thick. And I have 4 slices of 1/2-inch boards. I can now make a box from that one piece of wood that I had. This bandsaw is going to save me a lot of money. With all my 3/4 inch stock, I can now make 1/2-inch boxes with inserts. I can make quarter. I can make any size I want now. This is just awesome. Holy jeez. Alright, I'm excited.